Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of science. Today we are going to start next chapter in science, chapter 10, Air. In today's class, we will discuss about composition of air and importance of air. Composition of air. Students, air is an invisible, means unable to be seen, mixture of gases. It is made up of mainly of nitrogen, nearly 78%, and oxygen, nearly 21%. It also contains water vapor and small amounts, that is 1%, of other gases. These other gases include carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, and hydrogen, among others. Now let us discuss about importance of air. Students, air is very important for animals and plants. We all know that all the animals, including human beings, need oxygen to live. They all need this oxygen every minute and second of their life. They take oxygen from air through the process of breathing. The oxygen present in air is used to produce energy from the food that is eaten. In this process, carbon dioxide gets formed, which is breathed out. Students, oxygen is also required for burning. Let me explain this with the help of an activity given here. Take two ignited candles, cover one of them with a glass tumbler, which is taller than the candle. We observe that the covered candle soon gets put off, but the uncovered candle keeps on burning. Students, this happens because the covered candle soon uses up all the oxygen present in the air inside the tumbler. It does not get more air and hence more oxygen needed by it to keep burning it. Therefore, stops burning after a while. Students, plants also require air to live and grow. This is because plants need air to live. They use the carbon dioxide present in the air to prepare their own food by a process known as photosynthesis. They carry out this process in the presence of sunlight. Let me explain this with the help of another activity. Take two potted plants, add water to both the plants and keep them in sunlight. Cover one of the plants with a thin, transparent plastic sheet. Observe the plants for some days. Students, the plant which is kept covered with plastic sheet will shrink up and dry out after some days. The other plant will remain healthy. Students, that's it for today. We will continue the same topic, that is importance of air, in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.